this lesson, we will use mental math and equivalent fractions to solve proportions. Using mental math can be a fun challenge. Sometimes we can use mental arithmetic to solve proportions by thinking about equivalent fractions. For example, we might notice that the right side of the proportion, 42 to 54, reduces to an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 9. Since x over 9 equals 7 over 9, then x must equal 7. We can use mental math with this proportion by looking for a relationship between the numerators. Another way to think of this proportion is 3 over 5 equals 6 over some quantity. Now we know that that quantity is equal to x plus 1. Let's rewrite 3 over 5 so that it has 6 in the numerator, just like the right side of the proportion. To accomplish that, we just need to multiply by a special version of the number 1, 2 over 2. So 3 over 5 equals 6 over 10. Now the quantity in the box is equal to x plus 1. So now we know that 10 must equal x plus 1. And since 9 plus 1 equals 10, we know x equals 9. This one's a little bit more of a challenge to do with mental math. Let's see what we can do. So x over 2 plus 3 equals 11 over 3. So some quantity plus 3 must equal 11 over 3. Next we can rewrite that 3 so it has the same denominator as the 11 over 3. First I can rewrite the 3 so it has a 1 in the denominator. And then we can multiply by a special version of number 1, 3 over 3. So some quantity plus 9 over 3 equals 11 over 3. So that quantity must be 2 over 3. Now we need to remember that that quantity is really x over 2. So this quantity, the box, equals x over 2, and it also equals 2 over 3. So now we know that x over 2 equals 2 over 3. We can multiply both sides by 2, because 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And that leaves us with x equals 4 over 3. When doing mental math with proportions, think about how equivalent fractions can be helpful. Look for ways to break down your problems into smaller parts.